Man, Cardano has been killing it so far. We're almost at the all-time high, like literally up there, while everything else is still recovering. Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. My name is HM and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about whether Cardano is going to reach previous all-time highs, whether it's going to actually struggle to break it, or whether it's just going to break right through it and keep going up, and where it might be going in the future. Before we begin, if you can please like this video so more people can see this video, and it would help my channel tremendously. Now let me start by talking about Cardano and where it's at right now. So taking a look at the Cardano USDT chart, we see that Cardano is at $2.08, about $2.1, and at CoinMarketCap it's actually the number 4 spot right now of the top 5 or top 10 cryptos, or all the cryptocurrencies. And at one point it surpassed Binance Coin. I think it was a few days ago, and right now it's just $3 billion away from Binance Coin, and soon it seems like it's gonna outpace it and actually go beyond $70 billion. The reason why we see all this excitement for Cardano is because of the launch that they have been talking about, and that is the Alonso update for Cardano, and that is gonna add smart contract functionality to the Cardano blockchain, meaning that we're going to see way more use cases for Cardano. And people said that this was one of the most important deficiencies that Cardano had, and everyone was criticizing Cardano for that. But right now, if this goes through, we're going to see so many new applications that can be done or used on the Cardano blockchain. One of them is having a decentralized exchange, just like we have Uniswap on Ethereum blockchain. We're going to have maybe another sort of decentralized exchange on Cardano and many other projects such as NFTs and other decentralized finance projects. Now, enough of the news side of things. Let's talk about the chart and how it's looking. Since we made this all-time high in May of 2021, that was about 3 months ago. So this one should be a resistance, right? Because when we see a top and it goes down, that's a resistance. Price got resisted up here. So right now, it's normal to see us struggling before we break out of it. So later on, we might go up and retest this, and we can retest this and then explode above it. And obviously it's not going to go up like this, but this is a rough estimate. Or we can see a further pullback maybe to this support right here, because this one is a resistance, and then we can maybe consolidate again before we test back and go upwards. But this all is good to look at it from the USDT point of things, or the US dollar value. But I like to take a look at ratios and compare it to other assets such as Bitcoin. If you take a look at the Cardano Bitcoin chart and we take a look at the weekly chart, here's how we're looking. So about 3 weeks ago, I was a bit concerned about this one, because right here we had a resistance all the way from April of 2018, and we were above it for a few weeks, and then after that we broke below it. However, everyone, or Cardano buyers, thought this was an amazing discount. Buyers came in and we put the price of Cardano right above this previous resistance. This shows that there is demand for Cardano. People are very optimistic about the Alonso update that's coming soon, which is great. And also, if you compare it to Ethereum as well, take a look at Ethereum. We had a resistance right here, 1, 2, 3. It tested it 3 times, and then we broke out of it. Same thing, we dipped below it. Buyers started coming in, and we just blew right off and went above the resistance line once again. All of this is very promising, guys. And this also shows you that even with Ethereum and how good it did and how well it performed with the London hard fork that happened earlier, this one is still performing very well, and it's going up there. Now, whether you guys believe that the Cardano update is buy the rumor, sell the news, you can't deny the fact that this update is very important if it falls through correctly. And that is because, comparing that to Ethereum does have smart contracts, but it's still proof of work, and we don't know when we're going to see proof of stake. This one would be Cardano with smart contracts on a proof of stake blockchain, which is great, and which probably is a game changer if everything goes well. Now, I know many of you might have a question in their mind of whether or not Cardano might kill Ethereum one day. And the answer to that, I believe, is that crypto is a positive sum game and not a zero-sum game. A positive sum game is a game where outcomes are those in which the sum of winnings and losses are greater than 0, meaning that more than one person or more than one project can actually succeed. A zero-sum game, it is impossible for one party to advance its position without the other party suffering a corresponding loss. Now, that doesn't mean that Ethereum cannot take any capital from Cardano, or vice versa, where Cardano takes some buyers and capital from Ethereum and going into Cardano. However, that doesn't mean that one can succeed and the other can't. It's not a race. It's just both of them can succeed. Both of them have their advantages and disadvantages. Personally, I'm bullish on both, and I'm actually invested in both Cardano and Ethereum because I don't want to miss out on either of them. Also, the founder of Cardano, Charles Hoskinson, who is also the co-founder of Ethereum, made a point about why Ethereum is going to succeed and why Cardano might take a while before it actually picks up. And that is because institutions, they're attracted by Vitalik's youth, and because Ethereum is one of the largest or the second largest cryptocurrencies, and it's going to take them a while before they jump on the Cardano bandwagon, which eventually is going to explode. So guys, as I said, it's a positive sum game. It doesn't have to be one winner or another. However, there's very exciting news coming for Cardano and for Ethereum as well. But right now, Ethereum already jumped with the London hard fork, but right now we're still having the hype around the Cardano Alonso update that's going to happen soon. And I don't think it's going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news type of thing, because with Ethereum, I kind of thought that it was going to be buy the rumor, sell the news. However, it wasn't. Ethereum kept going up even after the update happened, and I do believe that Cardano is going to keep going up if everything falls through correctly, but I don't see why it won't fall through correctly. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like. If you want me to talk about Cardano from a fundamental perspective and from a more of a technical aspect and not from price action aspect, if you want me to dive deeper into the Alonso update, please let me know down below in the comments, and I'll address this in the later video or in the future videos. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.